Hey, my friends! Welcome back to Molly Quiz! Today, I will bring you some very interesting quizzes about Inside Out 2. What things about this movie do you not know yet? Join today's challenge to find out. Question 1.
What is the hidden character?
Ooh, the answer is Anui.
My phone? Where is my phone? Seriously? This is not happening. No.
Question 2. Guess which socks belongs to Anger? This is the correct answer. Do you remember? Question 3. What will Anger's next expression be? The correct answer is here. You're amazing. Question 4. Find the odd one out. Time's up! It's here! Question 5. What will they do next? They take a photo! So cute! Look at this! Question 6. Who fits through the hole? This is the correct answer. Question 7. Would you rather? Which place would you like to explore? Headquarters or belief system? Please comment and let me know your opinion. Question 8. Whose eye is this? Yay! The answer is Joy.
Firebox when she was only a freshman.
That's really hard. All we have to do is be super awesome at camp.
Question 9. Can you guess who is standing next to embarrassment? Bingo! It's sadness. Question 10. Who helped Riley score in the hockey game? Yes, anxiety is the correct answer. Question 11. Which one is Anger's mouth? Try this answer. How about this one? This is his mouth. Question 12. Point out which one is the real Bing Bong. Here he is. Do you remember him?
It's unclear. I'm mostly cotton candy, but shape-wise, I'm part cat, part elephant.
Question 13. Find the name in the alphabet. Anxiety, envy, ennui. The correct answer will be shown. Question 14. What is the hidden character? Yep, the answer is nostalgia.
When Bree and Grace and Usher. I'll just be done.
Question 15. Find the difference between the two pictures. Here is the difference. Did you find it? Question 16. What is the name of this island? Ooh, the answer is Friendship Island. Question 17. Would you rather? Which memory do you want to keep? Please comment and let me know your opinion. I'm waiting for you. Question 18. Which character walks through walls? The answer is disgust. You're amazing. Question 19. What does Anui use to control headquarters? The answer is app. Let's watch this scene together.
How are you driving? Console app. Hey, stop!
Question 20. Who is hidden in this picture? Yeah, it's Sadness. Question 21. Help anxiety find fear. Find the right path. Bravo! This is the right path. Question 22. True or false? Only embarrassment and anxiety go down to the belief system. That's false. There's also envy and ennui.
Quick question. How do we know?
Question 23. As she grows up, which shirt does she no longer fit into? This is the correct answer. Keep going.
She got very tall, very fast.
Did we grow overnight?
Oh, that was so cute.
Question 24. Find the strange thing in this picture. This is the correct answer. Did you find it? Question 25.
To a new Riley who is. This is what we're missing. We show them the answers. Of course I don't. Ask lots of questions. People love talking about themselves. So
Find Envy's real voice. This is her real voice.
ask lots of questions. People love talking about themselves.
So, what was your freshman year in the home?
Question 26. What is the hidden character? Yippee! It's anxiety.
We We show them we're Firehawk, who will do whatever it takes.
Question 27. Find 3 differences between these 2 pictures. Bingo! These are the differences. Question 28. Where in Riley's mind are important memories stored as glowing orbs? Yes, it's B Memory Land. Question 29.
Which one do you think will work the best? A roll of tape?
Guess whose voice this is? The answer is Pouchy. Good job.
Which one do you think will work the best? A roll of tape? A rubber duck?
Question 30. Find the odd one out. This is the correct answer. High five! So that concludes today's challenge. How many questions did you get right? Please comment and let me know. Remember to like and subscribe to Molly for more interesting challenges. Thank you for watching today's video. Goodbye and see you again.